I'm in a convenient location in the South Loop, on the rooftop terrace at 1001 South State, panning from the south to the east over Grant Park and the museum campus, and heading north toward a panoramic view of the Loop skyline from Navy Pier and Lake Michigan, out west toward the Willis Tower and the West Loop. The building's angled orientation serves up great views from the apartments, and I'm headed downstairs for a walk through one of them. I'm about 3 steps from the elevator bank at apartment 2407, a one-bedroom, looking southeast over Grant Park toward the museum campus and Lake Michigan. Looking at it through floor-to-ceiling windows with roller shades. The angle expands the view out to the southwest. High ceilings, plank flooring throughout the apartment. U-shaped, very efficient kitchen. Open plan with space for your dining table and living room furniture here. A breakfast bar peninsula. White quartz counters. Undermount stainless steel sink has a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. There's both pendant and dome lighting. Brushed light cabinetry, all soft close. A 4-burner gas range, built-in microwave and dishwasher, and the refrigerator has an ice maker. Space for an additional piece of furniture in the kitchen if you'd like. Unit is flooded with light through those great floor-to-ceiling windows. Getting back toward the entryway, it's a coat closet off to my right. In-unit washer dryer. Entry that's wide enough for a hall console table. Getting toward the bedroom and bath. Bath has a wide vanity. Quartz counter, undermount sink, wide frameless glass door shower, large tile extending up to the ceiling, and there's a wall-mounted medicine cabinet. Bedroom, again, floods with light. Roller shades on the windows. Closet has custom organizers. And you have those great views. 1001 South State has an attractive location. Wide variety of apartments, all with upscale finishes. An innovative, fun, extensive suite of amenities. Put 1001 South State on your must-see list. Head to 1001's website to see more floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.